Did you know a neighbor accidentally recorded proof that something evil was controlling her friend before his death? Mrs. Chen lived across from Daniel, a quiet man who spent every night on his balcony talking to himself. At first, she thought he was just lonely, making phone calls under the stars. But then she noticed something strange. He was having full conversations with no phone in sight. Curious, she started recording him through her window with her phone camera. The audio picked up two distinct voices, Daniel's familiar tone and something else entirely, something deeper, colder that seemed to give him commands. "You're ready now," the other voice would whisper. "It's time to show them." Daniel would nod and respond like he was talking to a real person standing right there. On the night he jumped from his balcony, she caught everything on film. The footage shows him laughing maniacally as he leapt to his death. But here's the terrifying part. Mrs. Chen still hears that second voice at night, and now it's calling her name.